This is gonna blow your mind. Your blood isn't the only color in town. Ready to meet creatures with blue blood, green blood, purple blood? Let's dive in. Most of us have red blood thanks to iron-packed hemoglobin, but some animals, total rebels. Take octopuses. Take horseshoe crabs. Their blood runs blue thanks to copper-based hemocyanin. It turns blue when it grabs oxygen. Why? It's perfect for cold, low-oxygen environments. But wait, there's more. Some worms have green blood, others rock purple, each color powered by unique metals and proteins. And get this, horseshoe crab blood saves lives by testing medical equipment. Biology is wild and we've only scratched the surface. That's your daily brain cookie. Like, share, subscribe for more.